What is up, you guys? Time for another installment of some wall planks. Except it's not going to be planks this time, it's going to be mountain climbers. So watch the video that's in the description. It's like wall planks or something like that. I'll put it down there before you do this one, because you want to get comfortable with those wall planks before you jump into wall mountain climbers. Sound pretty good? Sounds pretty good. Let's go ahead and get you guys going. Right, y'all. So let's make sure we're at a good distance from the wall, that we can push that wall down and stabilize in our plank position. Okay. Press those feet down, curl those hips unders, giving it position. Let's lock those knees. We're gonna bring our left arm up, push into that wall. Bring that right arm up, push into that wall. Make sure we're nice and stable. Now we're gonna hover that left leg behind us, then pull your left knee up towards your left armpit. Just hold for a sec. Nice, try to feel yourself stabilize and square out. You might tilt or lean or twist, all good. Let's try to minimize that stuff. Press back that left heel, hover just for a sec. Press the left foot down, hover the right. Stabilize, pull. Right knee towards the right armpit. Drive into that wall, drive in that wall. Belly pulled in, booty cheek tight. Yes, now push back that right leg, hover just for a sec. Press that right down. Hover the left, pull that left up. Make sure both your palms are pushing evenly into the wall. Pushing off that ball of foot and big toe behind you as that heel drives back. Good. Press back to your left leg, bring it on down, hover the right, pull it on up. Yes, square up, thigh tight, booty tight, spine long and hugged. Good, press back to that right, press it on down. One more, yeah, hover the left, pull the left knee up, squeeze, 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 hold. Drive back to your left, press it down, hover the right, pull it up, hold, push that wall down, Good. Drive back to your right, hover, press it on down, pull the left arm, bring it to the floor, pull the right arm, bring it to the floor, and we are totally done for now. Stellar work, you sophisticated savages. Thank you very much for putting up with me today. Hopefully you had a little bit of a good time with that, because I certainly did. And hopefully you got to connect with your body in a deeper way than you have before. Connected with something new, you felt something new, you became aware of something new in your body. And you and your body understand each other a little bit more. And you've enhanced your relationship with your body. I know, I keep talking about your body and your relationship with it, blah, 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 but it's a very important thing. Remember, we can't just demand stuff of our bodies all the time and get mad when it doesn't work. We have to work with our bodies, develop a relationship with our bodies, and see what we can accomplish with our bodies, not just make our bodies do things. When you make someone do something for a long time, they're not going to want to do it anymore. That's just how things are. Your body's no different. So listen to your body, get in good communication with it, and work with it. You'd be surprised at what you can accomplish together instead of trying to accomplish things as your body's boss. Anyway, I'll stop talking. I always talk too long, sorry. Go ahead and click on stuff floating around, watch other videos. They're probably all right. I made them, so maybe not. Anyway, I got social media accounts you can check out on the Facebook, the Insta, the Twitter. And yeah, go ahead and check those out when you get a chance. Anyway, hopefully I'll see you again soon. Hopefully you'll like, share, and subscribe, comment, all that crap. If not, no worries. Just catch you next time. Take care, y'all.